A little progress each day will lead to a big results. Likewise, we are learning little by little the Hindi sentences, grammars. Okay, now we are going to learn about conjunction. Okay, now we are going to learn about conjunction. Conjunction means the word which joins two words or two sentences. In English, we are having the conjunction that, and, but, either, neither, to. Okay, in the grammar wise, we have to say that it has a simple compound complex in English. Okay, likewise, we are having here in Hindi the conjunction. Okay, let us see the first one, conjunction. The first one is aur, tada, ev, va. Okay, aur, tada, ev, va. Okay, here the meaning is only and. Okay, in English we use and only for this, but the words in Hindi are aur, tada, evam, va. मुझे काफ़ी और पानी चाहिए. मुझे काफ़ी और पानी चाहिए. In English we can say it as I want coffee and 1 tumbler milk or 1 tumbler water. Okay, like that. Okay, then the second one is ya, adva, va, ki. Okay, ya, adva, va, ki. Here we can say it as ki. Key. Here the meaning is only or. The meaning is only here or.